pendulum is any object with mass that is suspended from, say, a string or a rope or a chain or something that allows it to swing back and forth freely. And the motion is another example of simple harmonic motion. The period of a pendulum looks very similar to the period of a mass spring system, except for the period, as you'll find out in your lab, only depends on the length of the pendulum and the strength of G. What this means is that if you have a longer length pendulum, the time it takes to swing back and forth once will be larger. If you have stronger gravity, the time it takes to swing back and forth once will be less. If you were to change gravity by doing something like taking your pendulum to the top of the tallest mountain, you would actually see that it swings a little slower. And if you had a clock based on this pendulum, it would start to lose time. All you're going to really do in this particular worksheet is manipulate this formula and maybe bring back some of the ideas that we had from the conservation of energy when we were able to figure out that if you know the length of the string and the angle that it's been lifted to, you could actually figure out its potential energy compared to its lowest point at the bottom, knowing that the height equals the length of the string times 1 minus the cosine of the angle. This will come up again, and hopefully this is not completely foreign looking to you since we actually did this not that long ago. This is a very short video because there's not much to this except for working with that equation.